Let me show you how to set up and use your finger gripper grip strength trainer. So as you see, it comes in two different parts. So this rubbery part, but you can also get this in the gray version, which has got less resistance. So if this perhaps is maybe too hard for you. Okay, and also we have this Velcro attachment as well, so that we can strap on our arm. So you see you have Velcro here as well. So if you want to set it up, so first you have to actually decide which basically resistance you want to start at. So I would simply start at the resistance you can actually handle for maybe half a minute basically of doing the exercise. If you feel that you can't do half a minute, so simply drop down. If you feel that basically after half a minute you do not feel any fatigue, you definitely should actually increase the resistance. So essentially, so yeah, if you want to connect, so you see you simply have this hook here. Let's hook it here in the lowest setting, for example, and it simply hooks up like this. So you see it has holes there. Then we simply have to wrap it around the wrist. So you see, around, and the other way around, and simply using this Velcro, simply fasten it. So as you see, I can maybe get one finger beneath it. Do not actually make it tougher. Also, if you make it sloppy, also it probably won't be good. So you see, one finger, if you can get under, that's good. So then we simply loop our fingers through. Okay, like this. And the finger position should be something like this, essentially. So maybe like a centimeter down, basically, from a finger. And then, as you see, you can do the grip strengthening exercises. So you see, what you do is you simply extend your fingers, and I suggest you to hold in this position maybe for like a second or two before releasing it gently. Again, extend, hold, and again. Maybe you can do 1 second holds. And again, repeat this, I would say, for maybe half a minute. Okay, and again, after maybe half a minute, so simply observe how much burn essentially and how basically strong it is. And then you can adjust it accordingly, so essentially over here. When it comes to more exercise we can do, it's fairly limited, so we can only do pretty much these. Also, I highly suggest you to combine this tool with also a hand gripper, because again, it's fairly limited, but it obviously can do the stuff that this hand gripper can't do that. So again, if you want full training, this also again is probably even more versatile tool than this one. So not only you can do basically these setups basically, also you can flip it over to train different parts of your hand grip as well. Also you can even train like individual fingers as well. And also I see a lot of people have problems with these two fingers, so for a lot of basically them, they aren't very tough. So you see you can also like flip it over again, only train that specific part. Also you can even do this as well. Again, none of these exercises can be done with this tool, but also, yeah, these extensions also can't really be done with this. So again, I highly suggest to actually combine these two. So if you also are looking to maybe perhaps get these, so I'll leave a special discount links where you can get them for the cheapest price. So personally, I got mine from AliExpress, and for this one I paid like $1 with free shipping, and for this one like $3. So that is if you follow those special discount links essentially. Also, I think if you are like a new user on AliExpress, you can get this also for like $1. So simply check out those links. I think both of these tools should be actually combined together to get the best basically grip strengths like training essentially. Okay, good luck.